Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a very simple burning laser in just a few minutes, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Thank you for helping us grow by liking and subscribing. After discharging our normal laser, we go to the DVD player, where we can put our own burning laser diode and then use it. After we put our own laser diode inside the DVD player and did the electrical wiring, now we have to test our diode with a battery and then design a simple circuit to increase the power of the brush. Thanks for watching my video so far, and now our job is just to go out and test it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.